Hey everybody, so I have completed the Adeptus Titanicus Manufactorum Imperialis set. It is a fantastic set. If you don't have one, go get it. If you don't need one, go get it anyway because this kit was so cool. As I was building it, it impressed me a lot. Like the details on a lot of these areas, a lot of little pieces are so fantastic. Painting it was another thing. Some of it I'm so happy with the way it turned out. Like this little tower, for instance, I love it, and I love the how I painted the little bronze bits. They're little varied, so they're this almost the exact same kind of tower, but painting a little different changes the way they look just slightly. I even love the base part, like that part. I don't like the bottom one on the left guy there. There's a lot, not a lot. There's a few things I don't like how it came out, and that's my fault. I rushed. I didn't take my time. I went right into the silver without even thinking about what colors I really wanted it to be. I thought silver might be cool, but then there's a lot of silver. At one point I was very distraught with this project, and I'm glad I kind of pushed through. And there are some things that I want to add. Like there are, I don't know if you can see them, but right over there's like a little panel. I'm gonna put some little buttons on there, like just paint them a different color, white, green, blue, I don't know. A few things to fix. I think I'm gonna color the trim on this, the metal trim, in metallic or in gold. But overall I'm very happy with it, and for its purpose, its intended purpose, which will be for the micro gas lands that I play with my son. This is perfect, and it's going to be great. And I've already kind of set it up the other day just to show him what kind of tracks we could make, and he loved it, and I love it. And I think it's going to be great obstacles to drive around. You have to make a little pathway for them to be placed around, but it is a fantastic kit. So yeah, as you see, I did some bronze details here and there. I love the way it looks in the pipes. So I love how there's just some random bronze ones, and I think that works out really well. I was going to use some other colors, but I didn't want to overdo it, and I just wanted to get the project done just because I didn't want to get to a point where I was unhappy again. Right now I'm happy. All these bits here I'm very happy with. It was great to paint when I finally figured out what I want to do with the silver. Not impressed with a lot of the silver. If I was going to do this again, I know a little how I would do it differently, but I'm happy with with all the different bits in this. And yeah, you can see the bottom of this tower. This was like I was doing some testing, and I didn't completely fix it over in the end. So there you go. That looks better. Look at it from the front, not the back. I do like the way it turned out. I love this kit, so I highly recommend it to anyone that needs it or doesn't need it. It's just a great kit. If you do anything in 10 or so millimeter, you got to pick this up. I think the Aeronautica Imperialis will work with it too. Maybe. Either way, it's cool. So yeah, next time I have it in the game set up, I will either take some video or take some pictures and show you what that looks like. But in the end, I'm happy with it. Look at how these cars look with all these little bits. I kind of want to get another set just because it was so fun to paint. So anyway, thanks for watching, and that's the end of this mini little project. As you can see, plenty more. And if you play Adeptus Titanicus and you don't have the set already, go get it. And maybe one day I'll get Adeptus Titanicus, and you'll see this on the board for that. We'll see. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good one.